For plants on Earth to grow, three things are absolutely essential: water, sunlight, and nitrogen. Until the early 20th century, farmers relied on manure as a source of this nitrogen, which was a scarce commodity. Then came the invention of the Haber-Bosch process, which enabled synthetic fertilizers to be mass-produced at a low cost. This can contain 100 times more nitrogen by weight than natural fertilizers. This sparked a boom in agricultural productivity, and as food became more available and affordable, the world's population increased to nearly 8 billion people. However, these ammonia-based fertilizers have a dark side. The centralized production relies heavily on fossil fuels, accounting for about 1.5% of global carbon dioxide equivalent emissions, and that doesn't even include the emissions involved in transportation. Then, on the farms, applying this fertilizer leads to nitrifying bacteria converting the ammonia into nitrate, which acidifies the soil and releases nitrous oxide as a byproduct. This gas has a warming potential 300 times that of carbon dioxide and accounts for around 2.5% of global carbon dioxide equivalent emissions. Not only that, but this ammonia can easily volatilize into ammonia gas, polluting the air and leading to acid rain. So it's clear we need something more environmentally friendly that's still easy for growers to use so we can all be fed. Fortunately, nature has provided us with an elegant solution: lightning. When lightning strikes, such intense energy causes the atmospheric nitrogen molecules to break apart and reform into nitrogen dioxide molecules. This nitrogen dioxide further reacts with the surrounding water to produce nitrate ions. These nitrate ions can be deposited onto the Earth's surface through rainfall, and nitrate happens to serve as a potent fertilizer for plants. Dubai has developed a modular system based on this principle that allows farmers to produce nitrate fertilizer locally, using just water, air, and electricity. When this process is powered by renewable energy, this could be a near zero emissions process. Nitrate fertilizers are superior in several ways. For one, nitrates are much more readily available for plants than ammonium, and don't acidify the soil. The efficiency of plant uptake means less total fertilizer needs to be applied. It's also more water soluble, enhancing its compatibility with precision agriculture practices. Nitrates are also not prone to volatilization like ammonia is, which means cleaner air. So to recap, Dubai's process eliminates the need for ammonia, which means less greenhouse gas emissions, less pollution, and healthier soil. The process for making the fertilizer is electrified, requiring no fossil fuels, and it can be done locally by farmers, eliminating the need for transportation and decreasing the farmer's dependence on a complex supply chain and fluctuating material costs. Our mission is to revolutionize the way we produce and use synthetic nitrogen fertilizers through an electrified, decentralized process with the dual objective of combating climate change and enhancing food stability. We believe that true progress comes not from refining existing practices, but from reimagining the status quo entirely. So join us in disrupting the fertilizer industry to build a zero-carbon future.